Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what happened to our basil plant and how we fixed it. Here's a clip from the show. I did want to show you this basil plant here, and as you can see, it's really wilty up here. It's looking fine down here, but I want to show you what the problem is. And if you look at the stem right here, you can see where it turns black. So everything below the black stem is fine and everything above is wilty and dying. So what happened here is it was too cold and too wet, and we got a mold in here or fungus that came in and killed this stem. And so what we want to do, find my scissors, here they are. What we want to do is we're just going to cut that off right here, so you can see there's just a little bit of green, and then this is all the dead stuff. So this is very typical of basil when it's just too cold, is to have it catch this disease and die. The rest of the plant I think will be just fine. It has warmed up quite a bit, and we'll keep the garden dry at night, and this should not be a problem for us the rest of the season. But if you're seeing this wilting and the soil is moist, just go ahead and check the stem to see if it did die off. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 13. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can find it on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.